Hello, traders. Today is Friday, July 11th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're going to start off on the 4-hour time frame. Because on the 4-hour time frame, you can see, first of all, the series of lower lows, lower highs, which we can tell that this trend from here to here is over. Based on the weekly and the monthly, I think that this move up right here is almost definitely a crutch into this whole move down. So I would expect it to at least go up to the 38%, could go all the way up to the 78%. If we see it go up to one of these fib levels, break structure to the downside, whether it's a 38, 50, 61, or 78, that's what's going to turn me back into a seller. Right now, I am definitely recommending longs at the end of pullbacks. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, put your Fibonacci retracement on there. If you get a 1, 2, 3 way pullback to any one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, then a nice engulfing turn to the upside, then that is exactly the trade I would be waiting for to go long again, potentially for the continuation of this correction on the 4 hour and the daily time frame. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.